welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine. Bath time! There will be a sink waiting at the bottom of each end of the track, and the drain will kind of go down. The losing side will fall in and take a bath. I could use a bath because I'm the Breakfast Thomas and I'm all covered in breakfast. Starting things off, Mike versus Philip. This is Philip's first ever competition ever on the Choo Choo channel. Wow, we've got quite the battle going on here. Woo! Well, it doesn't feel like a bathroom when there's no water. Oh, come on. Oh, the water's hot. It's hot now. Oh, no, it's really hot. Hot. Don't get me out of here. It's all the way here. Oh, now, nice and warm. Looks like a nice bathtub. And now, Steven versus Dart on first ever competition on the Choo Choo channel. Come on, Dart, wake up. Wait, the minis are not at the end of the track, by the way. You might want to look out below. Thanks, Carlo. I'm here in the bathtub with you. Oh, what a perfect landing. What's going on now? What is that stuff? Soap or something? Wonder what happens if we mix it up. Oh yes, finally, a bubble bath. I cannot really see outside. Charlie versus Henry. Henry's first ever premiere on the Choo Choo channel. Better luck next time, Henry. Oh, we're straight to the bottom. Someone get me out of here. I'm right here. Someone get me out of here. We better clear up the bubbles. I'm right here. Can someone get me out of here? Finishing off the quarterfinals, Ferdinand versus Percy. What's a great splash? Alright, don't lose water again. It's ridiculous. Semi-finals, Philip versus Steven. Oh well, Philip is trying to lose your first ever competition. Well, oh wow, it's sank to the bottom. Whoa, what a big blow. Steven goes on to the finals. Who will he face, Ferdinand or Charlie? Don't give up. No! Oh, this isn't so bad. This is pretty nice relaxing, except for the bubbles. This is a pretty nice bathroom. Huh? Round, Ferdinand versus Steven. This is gonna be fun! Whoa, that was a big splash. Did I say? I mean it. Oh no, bubbles are everywhere. I cannot see a thing.